welcome guys. Welcome back to my YouTube page. Once again, this is Ronnie Rice. Follow me on all my social media accounts. Get Rice Now. That's GETRICENOW. So today, as promised, what I said like 2 or 3 weeks ago, I'm going to start incorporating tips about the law. So first thing that, when you start talking about legal matters, what's the first thing to talk about? Why hire a lawyer? So there's many reasons why you should hire a lawyer. Pretty much, it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. I know there's a lot of bad ideologies about it, a lot of bad thoughts, and people think lawyers are very expensive. That's gonna be another video that I want to do. So look out for videos from me once a week on this as well. So I'll be doing 2 videos, one on law and one on business success and motivation. So let's jump right into it. I got 4 reasons on why to hire a lawyer. Reason number 1, a good lawyer will break down complex issues, whether it's divorce, whether it's personal injury, whether it's contracts, business transactions. A great lawyer is going to find ways to interpret what may seem like a very complex issue. I know a lot of times, especially with personal injury or accident cases, you get a lot of folks who have never been involved in a case before, and they're like, okay, what do I do? Property damage, what do you do about bills, things of that sort. And a lot of the stuff is, what seems very straightforward to me, is not necessarily straightforward to my client, especially if this is the first time that's been involved in an accident. So that's one reason why to hire a lawyer. Second reason is, lawyers have a tendency to increase your value in recovery. So whether you're suing a business to business or a civil suit in regards to a person, whether they're trying to invest in funds to take money or what have you, or a personal injury client, it's a reason why lawyers exist. It's not because lawyers take your money. I represent a lot of people pro bono. If you need a lawyer, definitely feel free to send me a message. If it's something that's very quick, simple, I usually don't charge people. If I know people who just don't have the funds, I still try to help them out as much as possible. But when a company or a person see a lawyer name come across their desk, as opposed to just a regular person or a regular person calling or something like that, you'll see that you get better results. Matter of fact, I got a text message from actually a family friend, aka a client. She was having some issues with her company, and she was dealing with that for months, and then I made a call and reached out to the company, and they pretty much did what they needed to do, what they were supposed to do initially. So never underestimate the power of a lawyer in regards to adding value to your case. The third thing I would say, what a lawyer does, a good lawyer may add value to what may seem like a simple issue. So I hear a lot of times people say, okay, they want to do a will, or they want to do a trust, or they want to do just something where it makes things seem simple. But here's the thing, when you're trying to do a will, you're trying to do a trust, trying to set up a company, yeah, there are tons of templates out there that say, okay, you just want to start a company or you just want to stand a will. But it's a lot, everyone is different, and there's a lot of differences that you need to understand when it comes to a will. So, depends on how many kids you have. Are you married? Are you divorced? Or are you taking care of someone who's don't have the capacity to take care of themselves? Do you have a large estate? Do you have a small estate? It's a lot of factors that go into. So yes, can you go google.com or youtube.com and try to find a way to do a will and start a company? Yes, but there's a lot of factors that go into where a lawyer has to have to brief a case. So when I say brief a case, each law school has what they call the Socratic method, where each class you take, you have to stand up, or you have a student to stand up and brief a case or give an overview of a case. And so when you hire a lawyer, you take in mind you have somebody who has briefed tons and thousands and hundreds of cases, where they can take the different fact patterns and apply it to different scenarios. So that's the third reason why I say to hire a lawyer. The fourth reason I would say, and there's plenty of reasons, but I'm just trying to keep it basic, and I'm trying to keep this video short because we all know lawyers can get very wordy, verbose. A legal time may help take pressure off you for you to focus on other things. So a lawyer can help you focus on other things that you need to focus on. So for example, if you are a big business owner who's running, let's say, a $10 million year revenue company, you necessarily don't have the time to go on YouTube to try to figure out what you need to do on the will, or what you need to do on trust, or how to protect your company. If you have a lawyer who specializes in transaction, or you have a lawyer who specializes in estates, wills, and trust documents, then it'd be smart to, what you do is let them handle that matter, because you need to take the time to focus on what you do on a day-to-day basis. So I know all this seems very simple, but I can't tell you how many times I get a call where somebody kind of just wants to get the nuts and bolts of why they should hire a lawyer. And these are just four key reasons why. One is lawyer can break down complex issues. Having a lawyer typically add value to your case. Thirdly, a lawyer, what they do is look at what might seem like a simple issue and make sure that you're particularly covered in your specific situation. And then four, a lawyer can take time, basically give your time back so you can focus on what you need to do, and they focus on the legal aspect. Guys, I hope this helps. Please feel free to follow me, share this video. My social media handle is Get Rice Now, GETRICENOW. I look forward from here, you guys. You have a great day.